guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lizzie. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please kindly subscribe and like this video. So we'll be doing this lapel flower design today. The list of the material used is in the description box. Just go through them. And we're using 6 pieces of fabric for the nude color and 4 pieces for the white. The white piece was cut 4 centimeter and the nude color is 5 centimeter on all the sides. So we'll just go ahead now to trim out the edges of the fabric to avoid it pulling out, and after that we'll be folding them into our desired shape. Just follow through carefully so you get the process right. It's a step-by-step process to make it very easy for you. Sorry, I had to reposition the camera so I could capture it well. Now we'll go ahead to place gum at the back of the flower. Now you will notice me putting the tip of my finger at one edge before folding it in. Now the reason for that is for it to have a pointed edge when we are done with it. That's just the design we're trying to create, to make it have a pointed edge at both of the sides. You will see it now, like there's something like this, those edge there. That's what we are looking at getting. So you just place the tip of your finger close to where you put the gum, then you press it inside. So we'll continue with the white folding now. We'll just I think I've done this folding in my previous videos before, so we'll just do it the same way. And after folding and burning it, you check the size with what you're doing, if it fits in. No, this one was a little bit big, so I had to reduce it and burn it again and trim it again before I continued. So ensure you check it with the other one to be sure it fits in. If you watched to this point, please ensure you subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button down below and subscribe to this channel, like the video and turn on your notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking till this time. Please ensure you like this video and share with friends. Now we'll go ahead to fold the last 2 nodes. Now the folding for the last 2 nodes is the same with the white one we folded. So I misplaced the clip for this one. I'm very sorry about that. So it's the same way we folded the white, we're going to be folding this one. Now we'll be attaching the white to the other color for the design, and after that we'll just gum everything together and our flower is set and ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please click your notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Kindly like this video and share with friends. Thank you so much.